Kani kediga bati CTV, mat pidang pek yaki kubur baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Hagini kisngi ki balalet no, ke jela Meghalaya kelasaki yiki Rio Tremon Sobha ki barat ba, daki kinhon baper ki balami nak imlang salang, khamtam ki dorbas nong, hakeleng kerilum khasi jantia bat garu. Ringkat ke jingkersan lang ru daki samla bat ki kinhon jo ki kintai, halaki jong ki snong ki tau. Kane ke jingi lang bat ke sorkar. La ban sakhiru nadu ke basdang ban pelong jakasa shipor, haki jaka pulih yiki brio batre haki hospital nekitu ki banang wan pai nabar ke jela. Kum kani ke jing IT met bat mensiam ban mi Tremon Sobha daki babon ki kinhon. Khamnyar ban syam hakari India hiboro kawai. Bat kani ke jing yakit ya ba'lam daki para nong snong. Kapan kan maru ya kemensiam jong ke jinglong para beriu. Bat ke jingle SNA markeliang yala ki para marjan marpa bat ki para lok para jor. Kajing ya telilang daki imlang salang hakani ke jela. Kalong ke bakhamper hadu kata-kata ban yanujor bat ki jingja hakaleng kari India. Namar hakiwe ki benta jong kari ki pancayan kidai ki bayok bahak ru ya kepisah nak sorkar. Hendrai ki dorbar snong hakani ke jela jungi kidai ki bahak ban penmi pisahi dalade. Haba ke sorkar Meghalaya ke khot jingalang ya bro ki bor sensar snong haka khandai trek ubna jemmang arajar arpo. Kaladan ke jingya sutho jingmot da ke wei ke sor ban thau ya ke kanhon ke ban kemi kerpang haka beidai ba ke jingya kon persya yo knyang jingpang COVID-19. Hakum kani kapor la thawru ya ka dorbar snong jayaw light dom community covid management team da ka jingya tulun lang hakikam ki jam da ki samla ki rangba kanthop ru iki kinthai kani ka kanhon kalai trelang ru bat ka kanhon jong ka magistrate jong kani ka district katnat ka koi ka khya ki asha ki ANM bat ki wede ki seng Tremon Sobha ya kani ka kanhon Tremon Sobha jong ki khot ki badang khambyang karta la benset ya kalengkor ban khmi bat penya ya ki kam ki bedai bat ki quarantine center. Kani ka kanhon ka kami kumno ban penbet penbiang iki kam ki bedai bat ku knyang jingpang COVID-19. Kum ha ka balet pensotho iki pai ba halor uneu jingpang kumno ban yada kumno ban boranti iki jingpatha jong ka sorkar ka jingkata ya ka yok ka kot jong ki noksong snong ban penbiang iki marbam bat kiwe.
Ina kaliang jong jino senang jong ki seng ba fer po do ba snong jole dom kalong isak ba ai men sim ya kham tam iki kilong ying ki don ki khon ki ti ki bo puli sabar. Nadu kasni bak sorkar kala ajeng tip sekido basnong mengidan kam bantau ya ka community covid management team kado basnong joloi dom kriti akan khandai tri umi kala khot executive committee padha ka thai executive committee kado basnong kala ai lat bantau ya kani community covid management team bat hak khat lai tarik ila ai ka notification hak ta notification ibulong leader ide magistrate team leader dan medical officers naga urban health centers dan ki asha ki akanwari nang tabat ini ki volunteers jong samla jong ni bisnong dikini bara kala kusup langang ta jadi jong kata ila pentip si bosnong bangla thau ini engkat kadan ku jing e abangi kren naga yang jing dur jing sap ndai kum kinong kit kam ki betri na buta ka pha kamyat dai jing la iborit ila yano senjang iwe bangla ban pentulun ne ka kam hakaba hakastep ko bobot ila panon put jadi kamera baru apa sekolah sangkasi lala pani perkhut di panjana ila perkhut di klau ila senrek dawai naga art of living lawan ram nyarap mengi bagi lali ini kini nang bagi bawan sa ibu di ini ay kajing suhun bagi kamera ki khot ada sanitize bagi ko rugi penbiang hakaba nasional jengi ila terwa di banang menteri ko kila sim na kabenta di banang banne ekala kila sim na kabenta bat kilai berkhat pat nama begini kena bawun kawan apa kendi kena pulis tekijing nang kam ku sana jeng ki grong internet dia kani idon ru kibre kibadon si sa kata kajing kit kilai rap sikan dai engi apa yang kajing ban penio ini connection nak mentah kani internet sisa kani internet lah trikam maka long jing kerku iki bagi lala banyale ki eksamen jeng ki online akum ta kalong jing kerku dikum gasnong dilaton kajing kit ni pendap dik bosro tenan kolong bagi samlas nong ke don haduk mentah sau ku arut mana pering kini ke samlas nong aku murang was nong oi ngelam le ke jingalam kamla menong dim dadon pak kejing kersian ke samla kini ke samla ke lai kersian bat ka kamram ke bangilia naduk ke sengi ke bakini keran di bawan cekaran tain piwan kalong bani ai ba mestap ni ai ba mesti panai sha jamit apa panai sha jamit di daga jingdon di doktor hak tim ke jongiru kumno kila batai ngi ke health protocol bangin le kita dijing le kila long sisa ki bangna bot din hata kurukam baka health protocol bangin bot din kalong kebabiang nadong sedong kumno ngi le ibu ik shabi hayeng dapa itu ke shabi badai men step bani Aisyah ki wan sim kili clear itu ki bahayeng asem jong gitu bahasa hang the ki wan tengkat bala batai ki bagi dia men bot ki kendon joka ahan jek pak jingkha dikum tai kala le bagi la bot bat kalong ke jing sutenat nak yang ki bahayeng asem lu makim dan ke jing kendu bat kitu ki khon ki kti ban mangiri volunteer ngim je kendu iki ndai ke rukam le kamangi le kala penhun yang ngiru pada kibah yang asam berjumpa. Jika ni orang yang terter, pada pensianan pada ki, nama kan ni kan don artli garantain centers. Iwan tangi weekend hai. Hai yang asam pensianan, isa amarui kelong kucing bam pensianan. Tinggal ya imiet pak. Sepuluh do khadar kawai ke tim, khadar do ar kawai ke tim, ar do sahar ke tim. Pan isdangnya kan ni nadu ka khan riu tri umi, pada kadang ya ter. Kecing sungu kelong iksamlah. Kam dei ke masuk, ban ong tu ya imiet. Mereka mensim juga yang terilang, pengisim ini bawan, jadi bahagia ngasem kejongi, kedok kesenam kejongi, sipuang yang syak stom, pati kongu, pati liat, patang dah kejeng kemen sudah, bangga kumurang mak senong, ngong saya sih ngapen pau jeng su ini samlah, nomla ban siu kuliang iki, ndai ulehi, utip kamha, ban kerku iki, hagis ni kupo di banwan.
Watch him now, Obama. I'll put him again. Stop. Okay, stop. Bye.
Hi. There's no problem right now you're facing, right? How long have you been here now? Since yesterday? Okay. So it's just the first, your second day basically, right? What about you? Oh, nearly 2 weeks. Yeah. And what? 1 week. Okay. Thank you so much for, being patient with everything. Really, it means a lot. From the bottom of my heart, thank you so much to all of you, your team leader, to our Rangbashnongs. At this time of crisis, this challenge that we are facing, it becomes so meaningful when everyone comes together and gives their bit for our state, for your locality, for our people. The kind of procedure that you've placed here is so good. It's I think very important for everyone to see and to learn. It becomes a model of sorts, and then we want to make sure that this message goes out not just to the rest of Meghalaya but to the rest of the world.
At a time where there are so many negative stories being weaved around the COVID-19, I think that Meghalaya has a very positive story to offer. These community quarantine centers are being run by the communities, by the localities and by the development committees of these localities, by church leaders, by the community leaders. And this is something where the community is coming together and contributing to make sure that people who do not have facilities to go back home and go under self-quarantine can come to these localities or can come to these locations and be quarantined. And I'm so grateful to our church leaders, to our local communities, to our local leaders, even local public who come forth by contributing, bags of rice, by contributing vegetables, by contributing fruits that people who will be quarantined in these facilities can have. So this is a wonderful initiative which is very unique, I suppose, to the state of Meghalaya, and it's something that I suppose my beautiful state can set an example in, and something that I hope that other communities could also take inspiration from and follow.
We are drawn from various fields. We are from the school and college teachers. We have professionals in the line of management, in law. So as a team, we have been able to group ourselves. We have been able to have orientation courses for us to understand what are the standard operational procedures that we need to follow. So we have a roster duty which is given to every member, be it right from breakfast to lunch to evening tea and dinner. And subsequently the team would also engage themselves in night duties starting from 10 p.m. and goes on up to 4 a.m. in the morning.
Ngam sengudan kanu ru bangan wit kan dang lik cha sayeng ro ngam dan ta jing wit ban oni ngak tieng bakak pun ka cha ang te ngan dan jing tieng ngadan jing lang sngan te kam siam ya tieng ba kini kat bangawan tu kasni nungkong baki wan lai hidan ba chang ne na kat no beje kat wi kat ar bajir kidang dan ba ne kawai ka bam ro ngala yo nak sarkar kilawan ya ai complete kilawan ai na dang hadang hadu bangah kendit sangaru bangayo kumni ngampoi perkhat bangan yo takabam bakan poi hadu katu kai ngong thai suan bu hang ni telak biang temang ngampoi perkhat ba ngapet ik takibam ngala kendit baki la su complete lot ngasngo bangam dan kam thit bam su bangan ai hang ni ro.
If we go back to the history of our state, what we are inheriting today is the gift of our forefathers since time immemorial, even before the Britishers set in our beloved state. The Dorbar Shnong, the traditional institutions are already in line. Manpower, that is the greatest contribution that all the Dorbars have been able to play a vital role in bringing out volunteers. Every religion, every churches in and around Shillong city, they have played a vital role either through their contributions, through their visits, and their moral support to the people of the state at large. And this is a real treasure, we could say. It's a great inspiration to the people of the state at large.
Good morning. Good morning. Hello. Hello. How many volunteers do you have?
From the management team, we are 17 members. We have arranged 4 timings. In the morning, 7 to 8. That is for breakfast. And then for lunch, 12 to 1 p.m. And then for noon tea, 3 to 4. And then for dinner, 7 to 8. Then we prepare that bathroom there. Before entering the room, they have to take bath. Only those materials that they cannot keep outside, then we allow them to take inside.
5 days.
5 days?
Yeah.
Okay. So I know it's a difficult time for you and for everyone, but I hope that things are okay.
Yeah, it's all good. It's all good. It's all good. Maintain everyone of us following the protocol also.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's very nice. It was very heartening to see that these quarantine centers which are being managed and run by the community, they're running so successfully and so nicely. This is not something new, in terms of all the traditional institutions that we have in Meghalaya. These traditional institutions, it is embedded in their very core, the sort of empathy, the sort of compassion which has been passed down by our forefathers down to our generation. Today, the role that we as a government are playing, it is something that we as a government, under the leadership of our Chief Minister, Mr. Conrad Sangma, we have always believed in the fact that the government plays the role of a facilitator, of an enabler. We have our officers who come and they monitor, they come and they check on the people who are residing in these quarantine centers, and we monitor the situation, supervise it. But then the whole process of running it and is something that is being done by the community. We have community quarantine centers all over the country, but those quarantine centers, some of which are run by panchayats, they're all supported financially by the respective governments. But here in Shillong, what we are getting to see are these community quarantine centers which are being run by the community to run these quarantine centers voluntarily, spending their own money to maintain this place. I'm very thankful to the local the leaders here, especially the headmen. It has come out very successful in our state, in Meghalaya, wherein I think that community has come together to participate in participative governance, and we hope to see this going further and further, and seeing different avenues and areas wherein such kind of things could be further explored and implemented.